Are drones spying on Denmark's military? The shocking truth. Drones flying over military bases. It sounds like the plot of a spy thriller, but this is real life, and it's happening right now in Denmark. Over the past week, a series of mysterious drone sightings have set off alarms across northern Europe, especially over Denmark's largest military base, Karup Air Base. Now, Karup isn't just any base, it's the heart of Danish military aviation, home to all the country's helicopters, its airspace surveillance, and a big chunk of the defense command. So when drones were seen buzzing overhead late Thursday night, authorities took it seriously. They quickly shut down the airspace above the base, just in case. Luckily, no commercial flights were scheduled at the time, so there was no impact on passenger travel. But this wasn't an isolated incident. Drones have also been spotted near other military installations in Denmark. And just days before, drones forced the closure of major airports like Aalborg, Billund, Copenhagen. It's not just Denmark either. There have been similar sightings in Germany, Norway, Lithuania, countries all on high alert because of their proximity to Russia. So, who's behind all of this? That's the big question. Danish authorities have called it a hybrid attack, a blend of military and non-military tactics designed to disrupt and confuse. They're not pointing fingers just yet, but suspicions are swirling about possible Russian involvement, especially given recent tensions over Ukraine. Russia, for its part, has denied any involvement, calling the claims absurd speculations. The stakes here are high, drones are cheap, hard to detect, and can be used for everything from surveillance to sabotage. A few years ago, this kind of activity might have seemed far-fetched. Now, it's a real threat. One that's exposing just how vulnerable even advanced militaries can be to small, unmanned aircraft. European officials are taking this seriously. Germany's Interior Ministry is launching an investigation, and NATO members are talking about how to respond to this new kind of danger. In the past month alone, Russian drones have crossed into the airspace of